PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair of Drexel Hill offers 24-hour heating and air conditioning repair, installation and maintenance services to residential and commercial customers. As a local, family-owned and operated HVAC contractor, we offer free install estimates on all brands of heating and cooling systems. We also install humidifiers, dehumidifiers, mini-split systems, thermostats, and air purifiers. Call our Drexel Hill HVAC company today. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is the life expectancy of a commercial HVAC unit? Commercial HVAC systems typically have a 15 to 20-year life expectancy if you perform the recommended maintenance. How often should commercial air conditioning units be serviced? It's a good idea to have the HVAC technician service the unit at least twice a year as a general rule. Ideally, this would occur in the spring and fall, right before the equipment will be subjected to its greatest demands. What is your service area for Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania HVAC Company office? Our local commercial HVAC repair have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Drexel Hill, Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, PA, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Pennsylvania. Where is your Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania HVAC Company office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Drexel-Hill-AC-Heating-Repair-Install.